Hello my friends, today we're going to learn shapes, colors, numbers and puzzles, animals, fruits, vehicles, and counting. Wow, this will be so fun. Let's get started. First, we will do this puzzle and learn numbers. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 1. Where will the number 1 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 1 will match right here. 1. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 2. Where will the number 2 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 2 will match right here. 2. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 3. Where will the number 3 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 3 will match right here. 3. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 4. Where will the number 4 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 4 will match right here. 4. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 5. Where will the number 5 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 5 will match right here. 5. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 6. Where will the number 6 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 6 will match right here. 6. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 7. Where will the number 7 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 7 will match right here. 7. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 8. Where will the number 8 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 8 will match here. 8. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 9. Where will the number 9 match? Will it match right here? Yes, the number 9 will match here. 9. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 10. The number 10 has only one spot left, so the number 10 will go right here. 10. Wow, we have completed this bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we have learned numbers from 1 to 10. Now we will learn shapes and colors. Can you help me find all the circles? Yes, I found a red circle. Now can you help me find another circle? Yes, this is a yellow circle. Now, do you see another one? Yes, this is a blue circle. Now, do you see another circle? Yes, this is a green circle. Alright, now do you see another circle? Yes, this is the green circle. Do you see another circle? Yes, this is a yellow circle. Now, do you see another one? Yes, this is a red circle. Now, do you see one more circle? Yes, this is a blue circle. Alright, we will keep the blue circle right here. Can you help me find a place for all these circles? Let's start with this blue circle. Where will it go? Will it go right here? Yes, the blue circle will go right here. Blue circle. Now we'll take the red circle. Where will it go? Will it go right here? Yes, the red circle will go here. Now, where will this yellow circle go? Will it go right here? Yes, the yellow circle will go right here. Yellow circle. Now, do you see the green circle? Yes, this is the green circle. Now where will it go? Would it go right here? Yes, the green circle will go here. Green circle. Alright, since we have the blue circle right here, we will keep the blue circle right here. The red circle will go here because the red circle is right here. We'll have the yellow circle go right here. And then the green circle will go here. Circles. Can you help me find all the squares? Is this a square? Yes, this is a square, and it's a green square. Now, we'll take another square. Is this a square? Yes, this is a square. And do you know the color of this square? It is yellow. We will put the yellow square right here. Now, can you help me find the blue square? Yes, this is the blue square. We will put the blue square right here. And now, do you see the red square? Yes, this is a red square. We'll put the red square right here. Alright, now can you help me find the green square? Yes, this is the green square. We'll put the green square on this side. Now, do you see the red square? Yes, this is the red square, so we'll put it right here. Now, can you help me find another square? Yes, this is a blue square. The blue square will go right here. And do you see the last square? Yes, this is the yellow square. The yellow square will go right here. And these are all squares. Can you help me find the squares on this puzzle? Where will this blue square match? Will it match right here? Yes, the blue square will go right here. And this blue square will match right here because we have a blue square right here. Now, do you know the color of this square? It is red. The red square will go right here. And this is another red square and we'll put it right here. Now, do you know the color of this square? It is yellow. Where will this yellow square match? Will it match right here? Yes, the yellow square will match right here. And we also have another yellow square and we'll put it right here. Now, do you know where this square will match? This is the green square and we will put it right here. Green square. And we have one more green square and we'll put it right here. Alright, we have put all the squares into their spots. Can you help me find all the triangles? Is this a triangle? Yes, this is a triangle. This is a green triangle. Is this a triangle? Yes, this is a blue triangle. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is a green triangle. The green triangle will keep right here. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is the red triangle. We'll keep the red triangle right here. Now, do you see another red triangle? Yes, this is another red triangle. We'll keep it right here. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is a blue triangle. The blue triangle will match right here. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is the yellow triangle. The yellow triangle will match right here. Now, do you see another triangle? Yes, this is another yellow triangle, and we'll put it right here. All of these are triangles. Can you help me match these triangles on the puzzles? Where will this triangle match? Will it match right here? Yes, this triangle will match right here. This is a blue triangle. We also have another blue triangle, and this blue triangle will match here. Now, do you know what color is this triangle? It is red. This red triangle will go right here, and since we have another red triangle, it will match right here. Red triangle. Now, do you know the color of this triangle? It is yellow. This yellow triangle will match right here. And do you know the color of this triangle? It is also yellow. So this yellow triangle will match here. Now, do you know the color of this triangle? It is green. The green triangle will match right here. And we also have another green triangle, and this is the last spot for the triangles. So this green triangle will match right here. Do you know what shapes are these? These are hexagons. Alright, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is blue. Now what about this one? This is also blue, so we'll keep them right next to each other. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is green. What about this one? Do you know the color of this hexagon? It is also green, so we'll keep the green hexagons together like this. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is yellow. And what about this one? Do you know the color of this hexagon? It is also yellow, so this yellow hexagon will match right here. Yellow hexagons. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is red. And since this is the only red hexagon that doesn't have a matching hexagon, we will match these two together. All of these are hexagons. Where will this hexagon match? Will it match right here? Yes, this blue hexagon will match right here. Blue hexagon. What's the color of this hexagon? It is also blue, so the blue hexagons will go right here. This blue hexagon will go right here. And we have completed all of the blue shapes. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is red. And this is also another red hexagon, and it will go right here, and we have completed all the red shapes. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is yellow. Now, do you know the color of this hexagon? It is also yellow. And now we've completed the yellow shapes. Now we have 2 more hexagons left, and this is a green hexagon. And do you remember the color of this hexagon? It is green, so they will match right here, and we've completed all the green shapes. Wow, we have completed the puzzle and learned shapes and colors. Now we will learn numbers, counting, and colors. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 1. Alright, we will count to 1. 1. 1 red bead. 1. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 2. We will count to 2. 1, 2. 2 orange beads. 2. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 3. We will count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow beads. 3. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 4. We will count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green beads. 4. Do you know what number is this? This is the number 5. We will count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue beads. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Wow, we've learned numbers, counting, and colors. Now we will learn colors. Do you know the color of the ball that's in my hand? It is green. Where will this green ball match? Will it match right here? No, what about here? Yes, the green ball will fall into this cup. green ball. Do you know the color of the ball that's in my hand? It is yellow. Alright, where will this yellow ball match? Will it match right here? Yes, the yellow ball will match right here. The yellow ball's inside the yellow cup. Do you know the color of the ball that's in my hand? It is red. Will it match right here? No, that's an entirely different color. What about here? Yes, it will definitely match here. So the red ball's inside the red cup. Do you know the color of the ball that's in my hand? It is orange. Alright, where will this orange ball match? Will it match right here? Yes, the orange ball will match right here. Orange ball goes inside the orange cup. Do you know the color of this ball? It is blue. Alright, where will this blue ball match? Will it match right here? Yes, the blue ball will match right here. Blue ball. Alright, do you know the color of this ball? It is light blue. The light blue ball will match right here. Light blue ball. Do you know the color of this ball? It is purple. The purple ball will match right here because that's the only spot available. Purple ball. Yellow. Purple. Blue. Light blue. Orange. Green. Red. Wow, that was so fun. We have learned all of these colors. Now we will learn these vehicles. Can you help me find the taxi? Yes, this is a taxi. Where will this taxi match? Will it match right here? No, because this silhouette doesn't match this vehicle. What about here? Yes, this vehicle matches with this silhouette. So the taxi will go here. Taxi. Can you help me find the hot air balloon? Yes, this is the hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Where will the hot air balloon match? Will it match right here? Yes, this silhouette matches with this hot air balloon. So the hot air balloon will go in the center. Hot air balloon. Can you help me find the sailboat? Yes, this is the sailboat. Sailboat. Where will this sailboat match? Will it match right here? Yes, this sailboat matches with this silhouette right here. So the sailboat will go right here. Sailboat. Can you help me find the bicycle? Yes, this is the bicycle. Where will this bicycle match? Will this bicycle match right here? Yes, this bicycle matches with this silhouette right here, so the bicycle will go here. Bicycle. Can you help me find the car? Yes, this is the car. Where will the car match? Will the car match right here? Yes, this car matches with this silhouette, so the car will go right here. Car. Can you help me find the scooter? Yes, this is a scooter. Where will this scooter match? Will it match right here? Yes, the scooter will match right here. Scooter. Can you help me find the airplane? Yes, this is the airplane. Where will this airplane match? Will it match right here? No, because this silhouette doesn't match with the plane's shape. What about here? Yes, this silhouette matches with the shape of this plane, so the airplane will go right here. Airplane. Can you help me find the ship? Yes, this is the ship. Where will this ship match? Will it match right here? Yes, the ship will match right here. Ship. Do you know what vehicle is this? This is a bus. Where will this bus match? Will this bus match right here? Yes, the bus will match right here. Bus. Wow, we've learned all of these vehicles. This is a taxi, a bicycle, an airplane, a scooter, a hot air balloon, a sailboat, a bus, a car, and a ship. Now we will learn animals. Do you know the animal that's in my hand? It is a camel. Will the camel match right here? No, this camel does not match with this silhouette. What about here? Yes, this camel matches with this silhouette. So the camel will go here. Camel. Do you know the animal that's in my hand? This is a toucan. Alright, where will this toucan match? Will the toucan match right here? Yes, this toucan matches with this silhouette. So the toucan will go here. Toucan. Do you know the animal that's in my hand? It is the elephant. Alright, will the elephant match right here? Yes, this elephant will match with the elephant silhouette here, so the elephant will go here. Elephant. Do you know what animal is this? This is a zebra. Alright, where will the zebra match? Will the zebra match right here? Yes, this zebra will match right here. The zebra will go here. Zebra. Do you know what animal is this? This is a lion. Alright, where will this lion match? Will the lion match right here? Yes, this lion will match with the lion silhouette here. Lion. Where will the giraffe match? Will the giraffe match right here? Yes, the giraffe will match right here. Giraffe. Do you know what animal is this? This is a koala. Alright, will the koala match right here? Yes, the koala will match here. Koala. Do you know what animal is this? This is a tiger. Will the tiger match right here? No, this tiger does not match with this silhouette. What about here? Yes, this tiger matches with this silhouette, so the tiger will go here. Tiger. Do you know what animal is this? This is a sloth. Since we've only one spot left, the sloth will match right here. Sloth. Wow, we have learned these animals. Elephant, lion, sloth, giraffe, camel, toucan, zebra, koala, tiger. Now we will learn fruits. Do you know what fruit is in my hand? It is a mango. Alright, where will this mango match? Will the mango match right here? No, this mango does not match with this silhouette. What about here? Yes, this mango matches with this silhouette. Alright, so the mango will go in the center. Mango. Do you know what fruit is in my hand? It is an apple. Alright, where will this apple match? Will this apple match right here? Yes, this apple will match with this silhouette here, so the apple will go here. Apple. Do you know what fruit is this? This is an orange. Alright, where will this orange match? Will it match right here? Yes, this orange will match here. Orange. Do you know what fruit is this? This is a strawberry. Alright, will the strawberry match right here? Yes, the strawberry will match here. Strawberry. Do you know what fruit is this? This is a pineapple. Where will the pineapple match? Will it match right here? Yes, the pineapple will match here. Pineapple. Do you know what fruits are these? These are grapes. Where will these grapes match? Will these grapes match right here? Yes, these grapes will match here. Grapes. Do you know what fruit is in my hand? It is a watermelon. Alright, where will this watermelon match? Will the watermelon match right here? No, this watermelon doesn't match this silhouette. What about here? Yes, this watermelon matches this silhouette. Alright, watermelon. Do you know what fruit is this? This is an avocado. Alright, since this avocado matches right here, we will put the avocado here. Avocado. Do you know what fruit is this? This is a lemon. Alright, where will this lemon match? Will this lemon match right here? Yes, the lemon will match here. Lemon. Wow, we have learned these fruits. Lemon, apple, pineapple, grapes, mango, strawberry, watermelon, orange, avocado. Now we will learn shapes and numbers. Now we will do a number and shape chain. Alright, this is the number 0. We will insert the string into the number 0. 0. Now we will insert this sunflower. Alright, now we have inserted the sunflower. Now let's insert the number 1. Alright, we have inserted the number 1. 0, 1. We will now insert the square. Now we will insert the number 2. Alright, we've inserted the number 2. 0, 1, 2. Now we will insert the star. Alright, now I've inserted the star. Now we will insert the number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. We will insert the hexagon. Hexagon. Now we will insert the number 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will insert the quatrefoil. Now we will insert the number 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will insert the heart. Now we will insert the number 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will insert the circle into this chain. Circle. We will insert the number 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will insert the triangle. We will insert the number 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. we will insert the trapezoid. We will insert the number 9. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will insert the head. And look at that! We have completed the caterpillar. Wow, we have learned lots of things. Please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.